Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering the watch off and removing the strap so you can access the glass edge. Heat the glass evenly to about 60-80 degrees C. This softens the adhesive without harming internals. Once warm, apply a small amount of isopropyl or adhesive remover around the bezel, then insert a thin pick or guitar pick at a shallow angle to begin separating the glass from the housing. Work a couple millimeters at a time and rotate around the circumference so tension stays even. Once an initial gap exists, use a small suction cup or 2 picks on opposite sides to lift gently, alternate sides so you don't crack the glass. As the pain rises, look for thin display or touch flex cables. Stop before any sudden pull. If you see cables, switch to a spudger and peel adhesive slowly. Don't yank. Make sure to keep components supported and use plastic tools to avoid scratching the case. Keep the glued area warm if separation slows, and remove the glass evenly. After the glass is off, clean the frame thoroughly with 90% plus isopropyl and a plastic scraper to remove old adhesive. This ensures a flat surface for the new seal. Once clean, test the display and touch connector by briefly reconnecting and powering on. This confirms functionality before final assembly. When ready, apply new adhesive tape, align the replacement glass precisely, and press evenly. If anything goes wrong, cracking, non-responsive touch, stop. Secure components and swap in a known good display to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.